Abanyishengero bo mu rurembo rwa Hoyuma abarimo munyishengerokazi Asinansi Nyakato, Patrick Isingomo wa Hoyuma East hamwe na Ismail Kasule nibagira ngo bina kashasho kahango ako kushanga batakumanyisibwe biri kugenda misho projects zine kukorwa omuri Hoyuma obwe bari kwetegurira empaka za AFCON.
Okuba izire nibona atera kutera akasimu members of parliament abarabize sente zine zi constructing cycle. They are not informed of majorly most of the activities. As again, I'm so not well knowing into suppose to mobilizing abantu babunyo majorly where this game is going to be hosted. Bajugumbya kubateka mulavu kubendese kintu
eromu minister eromu secretary general wa National Council of Sports nabo team ebyona ko kale ekora byayo tituko kabare process babantu hano titukumeye bike bigenda maiso kandi ekyo does it oga well.
Abanyishengera aba nibagira ngo parliament kahinguze sente nyamwinji okora projects nyinjo mu rurembo rwa Hoyuma inkenguto ebishayi byo kutendekerwamo okuboneza amarwaro bitungu byona tabarukumanyisibwa ebyashikireho hamwe na nebirukuboramo.
The local team ya national even the coordinator kurungi muno na team eri hansi. There is an event, an activity, anything, any development going to take place hand. Abantu bati baina kumanyisibwa mu bwire so that they are mobilizing the communities to not yes project ene kuja mu kichwa yaitu but we don't expect ABC egenda kuja mu kichwa yaitu tugenda kuchwa majuganyo because abo ko muntu oragawya ko rugo kaliko twire njuye kali mazima as leaders that what leke nkaha leke wapsi
unaitu to participating mu project says za government zigenda kujana bakwa project says at the end of the day zikuyamba itwe abantu bahana aba so abekule nkabe kule mbezi tunakura ntingu twatekayo amagezi gaitu na amali no obwire kura ntingu project says za yangwa kandi of course no buturezingire job matego haflo ya parliament in prime minister's question. Prime Minister speaker sabirege Prime Minister alete comprehensive report kituyambire mu committee mu tufunire more information kandi tujya gikozesa kurantingu twayongera kunyeseganya na kuri kurantingu ebintu binu byagendo mazi
AFCON aliya ari ngudi zibabandize kureta reporting yasangiro mu office ati bagaruka aba consultant bagaruka bazira bamu kandi baletaki balete ngudo ezindi amabara sagabaza hano tugeja kuba abantu ukajja kubatalibaniza ukuvungamba kuno ndingo barunemingire mparo bypass ni rururi orwa kientale buhanika then butebe
barambwira umurimo ogukombeka ekicayi cyo kutendekerwamo ogurukorwa ba UPDF Engineering Brigade nukwe kushanga kurya habucweka 25 hadigana.
So this boundary wall inside here we have these are the washrooms for the spectators in case there is a competition or a training. We shall have a basketball court where they are making blocks from. We shall have a volleyball, and down here we are going to have 2 tennis courts. So that is the sport. We shall have our pitch where you are seeing this one being leveled.
Ebyona byezireho bw'abanyishengera aba bashitamise urukiko rw'akakiko k'ebyenguto mu rurembo rwa Hoyuma okushijima enguto zirije okorwa omwaka gw'ebyesente ogwo gutandikire. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose ni wagaba katoto.